If your Nest camera notifications have suddenly stopped, don't worry, you're not alone. Let's fix it together. First, double-check your Wi-Fi connection, weak or spotty. Wi-Fi is the #1 reason notifications fail. Make sure your Nest camera and your phone are both connected to a strong signal. Next, open the Google Home or Nest app. Tap on your camera, then tap Settings. Go to Notifications. Make sure notifications are turned on for the events you want, like motion, sound, or people. Now check your phone's settings. On iPhones, go to Settings, then Notifications, and find your camera app. Make sure Allow Notifications is switched on. On Android, long press the app icon, tap App Info, then Notifications. Everything should be enabled. If you still don't get alerts, sign out of the app, then sign back in. This can refresh your connection to Google's servers. And don't forget, restart your camera. Unplug it for 10 seconds, then plug it back in. If nothing works, update your app and your phone's software. Sometimes bugs get fixed with updates. Still stuck? Try removing the camera from the app, then adding it again. And that's it. For most people, these quick steps solve the problem. So you can get back to feeling secure, knowing your Nest camera is watching out for you.